Hello everyone, good afternoon. This is our project Unimark Lakewood Estate, just beside New Goria Metro Station at Patuli near EM bypass. And you can see this is a 3 BHK model apartment of 1419 square feet sellable area. So you can see this is the living cum dining area, I patterned with adjacent balcony in front of the dining area. So see, this is the balcony space along with this living cum dining, and see the space of living cum dining. Now come this side. This is the lobby space. Just on my left side, you can see this is the kitchen space. Beautiful L pattern countertop with a big size window. Separate space for refrigerator. Excellent utilization, as you can see, a square size kitchen. And just adjacent to that, this is the dry balcony area along with switch points, inlet and outlet. Along with this, a big window. Now come this side. Just opposite to the kitchen, this is the first bedroom. Excellently decorated with a big size wardrobe space and a big size window. So it's a square size bedroom with a size of approximately 11.5 into 11 feet. Now come this side. Again, just adjacent to that first bedroom, this is the attached toilet space, common toilet area. You can also attach this with this first bedroom. Separate basin space, wall mount commode, and separate space for bath. Now come again. In front of you, this is the second bedroom. Entering into the second bedroom, you can see the space of the second bedroom along with windows on both the sides. A square size bedroom. Now come this side. This is the third bedroom or master bedroom. Along with this, attached toilet and a very big size wardrobe space. Now this is the attached toilet area along with the basin space, wall mount commode, and separate space for shower. Now come this side. This is the master bedroom along with a king size bed and a beautiful cross ventilated windows on both the side. And as you can see, this is also a square size bedroom having a size of 12 feet into 12.5 feet. So overall this is a flat of 1419 square feet super built up area with having 2 toilets, 3 bedrooms, 1 kitchen with another service balcony. And a very big size living cum dining area. So thank you for watching. If you are interested, then please call as early as possible, because we are running some excellent bank scheme and offers for you. And the location of this project is excellent. This is a high-rise project with having 6 towers. And position is very nearby, so please call as early as possible. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. If you like this, then please share and subscribe for further updates. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.